All right, Sydney, we are getting very, very close to the start of this show. All right, Sydney, countdown. And we're gonna go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's showtime! huge round of applause for the team from 40 Fireworks and Jetpack Entertainment! Well, Sydney, the night is not done yet. Do we want to see some more freestyle action? No, that was not convincing enough. You were gonna have to be louder than that. Sydney, do you want more? All right, well, just because you asked for it, the team from Jetpack Entertainment, Troy Stowe and Jake Jones, they are going to give you a little bit of a freestyle session to see the night out right now. Remember, if you see something you like, you need to make plenty of noise though. So, to start things off, I want to hear you say, we want more, 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 we want more. There we go. It is not every day you see a sky fall with a man in an LED suit with fireworks coming out of his hands. Come on, put your hands together and make some noise for Jake Jones. And of course over here on the red side, give it up from the USA, one of the best in the world, it's Troy Stowe. Well, Sydney, you guys have been an absolutely incredible crowd. Have you enjoyed yourself? Have you enjoyed your night out? Well, the night is still young, of course. There is so much to see and do right across the Darling Harbour and Cockle Bay Wharf precinct. So make sure you stick around, visit one of the many restaurants and bars throughout the precinct. Of course, if you are leaving to go home now, please get home safely. We hope you enjoyed our Lunar New Year celebrations, Jetpack style. We're going to stick around and say good day to everyone across the harbour for the next couple of minutes. Make sure you make plenty of noise. Give the boys plenty of love. They have been working very, very hard for you tonight. We are back tomorrow at 2 p.m. 8:15 p.m. and of course the final fireworks spectacular at 9 p.m. tomorrow night. Right now, Sydney, though, on the count of 3, I want you to make as much noise as humanly possible. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that is what it's about. Do we want to see one more flip? All right, we're going to get the guys in a position right now. Get those cameras, phones out and ready. And of course, do not forget to tag us on the socials at Jetpack Entertainment. All right, guys, we're going to count them down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Skyfall! One more time, give it up for Jake Jones and Troy Stowe. All right, Sydney, it looks like these boys aren't quite done yet. We got a little bit more fuel in the tank. But for this one, you are really gonna have to be loud. This is the hardest trick to do. Do you guys want to see the boys do the double backflip? All right, well, if you want to see the double back, you're going to have to chant, double flip, double flip, double flip, double flip, double flip. All right, here we go, from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, that is how you do the double backflip in open water. One more time, give it up for the team from Jetpack Entertainment. Well, Sydney, you guys have been an absolutely incredible crowd. We hope you enjoyed the show. Feel free to come back and tell your friends, bring your family. We do it all over again tomorrow from 2 o'clock in the afternoon with our first show. Please get safely if you are leaving. Make sure you stay safe. Enjoy the rest of your night. We are Jetpack Entertainment and we will see you tomorrow. Thank you and good night.